I want to talk about Leia Salonga's interview yesterday because I really took a very important point from that and I want to discuss it with you. So Leia Salonga, in her interview, discussed things during the Les Miserables press tour, but the one that, touched on her son's transition really struck with me. She said that you shouldn't have children if you're not able to accept the children or you cannot accept who they decide to be. As somebody who faces scrutiny almost every day, because as you can see, I have a son who is soft because he is graceful, because he is not raised on toxic masculinity, and because he dances really well. And of course, small-minded people would automatically say that he's gay. First of all, my son's closet is not for you to open because it's none of your business. And as an open ally, it would be so hypocritical for me to be an ally to other people but not to my own son, except that it is his decision and not yours. I truly feel bad for the gay people that attack my son because they cannot simply attack me. Because gay people who attack my son clearly was not raised by mothers who accepted them growing up, who did not love them enough. That's why they end up insecure to this day. Imaginein mo yan, they would attack a 7-year-old just because they cannot deal with the reality that Tony's mother is way better than them. Can you honestly tell me that I'm gonna feel bad if you call my son gay? Of course not, because my son has more love in his entire body than you do in your old ass being right now. My son is only 7 and he has so much in his life going on that even if you tell him he's gay, he's just gonna tell you it's none of your business because it isn't. Because as a mom, that's my number one role, to accept fully who my son decides to be. But again, it's none of your business. So it really struck me when Leia Salonga said that you should stop or refuse to have children or not have children if you cannot deal with the drama and accept who they decide to be, because every child is a blind box. And it's true. As somebody with a rambunctious, happy-ass son, I know for a fact that Tony will get to that decision when he is ready. Not when somebody on the internet decides that he is so. Baliko na ako, you are not God. And not even the devil can decide who Tony decides to be. And I hope that is very clear because that is something that I learned from Leia Salonga's interview. Just in case you feel that it will hurt me, of course not. But it will hurt you to be reminded that you must not be loved enough, that you have to be so insecure to hit on a child just because you cannot hit on his mother. I hope that's clear. Ingat!
You can just ask him, like, just tell him, pag message ka sa iya karon, Doc Luigi, I want Jamag, like, just put Jamag, no? And that's it. So, muna siya ang muna to siya akong gibuhat. So, I hope katong nangutana na apa diha. I've made videos about it actually, wala gyud na ako gitago. And then, na ako'y i-try. And then, sa akong skin, gasnap 8 gyud ko. I put it in my serums. So, muna siya. So, okay na to, ma'am. Natubag na ako. Basta go message Doc Luigi Gorea here on FB. You can screenshot this live and then just like tell him nga you want my stack so that he is able to tell you. Okay? Para nga matabangan kaniya. Kaya like kami malipay gid kay me. Malipay kaayo me. It's because we wanna see, like, ako, I have friends nga even in the US, like, hadlok sila when they saw me and then they tried it sa US. Oh my God, dagko kay sila og mga weight loss, lagmi kaayo ang ilang mga skin, like, happy kay ko for them, Jud. Makalipay pa good. Ate Cleo! Hi! Merry Christmas! Happy New Year! I love you! Kano sa kamulig, Butuan! I love you, ate! Hi! Consehal JP Lau is in my live. Cons, January 16 ba ang birthday ni Tony? Please message me if kaya ba ni mo makaanhi og syudad ha. If magsinulog ka, isabay lang. I know nga layo from Bantayan. I know nga hassle kayo diri sa Cebu. But if pwede ka, please do come to Tony's birthday. Jollibee party na siya, Cons. Pero ako mga prizes, murag di po ko mauwaw. Diyos ko, ang pabitin ako, Cons. Magpabitin kong tig 1,000. Kabisi ba, uy? Love you, Cons! Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Jord. I love you, te. Karon sa ka mo ulit, te. I love you. Mingaw kay kunimo. Of course, Konsoy. Of course, good. Why so pretty, tiwa? Pag... Jen! Jen, ha? Imo tanang gimo, wag ilang lakaw to 8. Kay 8 pa ko matong Siargao. Apasta! I love you, my Jen. Enjoy diha sa Vietnam. Nag-live lang yung ko karon tungod kay sa mga tao nga mo ingon nga dili daw ni ang tinuod na ko nga account. Be mo na gani na nay blue check. Nga unsa din mo oy. Asa ni siya eh? Hello? Pila budgeters. I am not allowed to talk about it here on this live. I don't want to get banned. If you want to know how much it is, please message Doc Luigi Guerrea para matubag ka. Dili, nagkalitra po kong book, lab. Kalitra kayo itong book na mali pag akong unang booking, my love. Ang una na ko nga booking, my God, na Cebu siya, nahimo og Siargao to Cebu. So, nawa akong 6K, na-stress ko, may gani kay, ni-rebook ra ko, nga mas barato pa og like 400 pesos ako na-rebook, 8 to 13 ko sa Siargao. So, nalipay ko ni Mama Jana, makita na lang mi dito. Basta, magtapok ta dito. Unya, plano na siguro nato. So, ano mo lagi, Ganyan itong barkada lagi, kadi wala gini. Ikaw, Miss Jenny, magkauso sa imo magplano-plano, Kalitra magutag ambak, Happy New Year! Sana all kayo inyong family. Ingat mo ni Pakoy, Jacqueline Ann. Kabisi mang Jacqueline Ann, Nan, wala gid ni Jacqueline Ann. Himo na gyud kog Jessica. Why? Digawas jud ang Jessica, day. Amping mo. Guys, sorry jud kayo fing ani akong tingkong ka kay naagi ubo og sipon nga nahitabo gid diri nga side. Sorry kaayo ha if unsa Rolyonza family unsa man di ako mapuyo og man og Dubai kabisi ba uy. Hi Hi Gab. Ambot lang gyud nimo kani si Gab Gabalio. Oh my god. Like I love it. She's the epitome gyud nga grabe gyud kay siya ka fashion. Grabe siya ka nakita mi sa mall ako nang ikog kay ako jud koy ka makeup niya si Gab kay very kuan kaayo kanang fabulosa kaayo. I love it. Very auntie nga dato. I love it. Ano gud si Tony? Mommy, why does she have short hair? Da, auntie nga dato lagi mi. Anak ko ingana man ang uso sa mga auntie nga dato, Tony. Diba? Nitanaw siya sa iyang tita Daya nga, why is tita Daya's hair long? Ay, dili man Tony kay lahi man na imong tita Daya. Lahi man na imong tinang. I love you all.